Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you the review of the fragrance Decadence of Marc Jacobs. Decadence is a fragrance which was launched in 2015 and is the very first mature fragrance in his collection, which is the very first fragrance with very wild, very sensual and deep dark notes around the Daisy collection, which is very playful and very girlish. Decadence is the winner of few awards as well, and two of them I'm gonna mention is the Fragrance Foundation in 2016 award and as well the Elle International Beauty Awards for the popular choice in 2018. The face of the fragrance is Adriana Lima, who is as well the one of the Victoria's Secret's angel, and in one of the interviews she's saying that she loves how much work Marc Jacobs put into creating the fragrance. In the campaign, she is the good girl who is playing the bad girl, and she is completely lost in the feeling of the fragrance. She is completely overwhelmed by it, and this is the feeling which we're supposed to have, the smelling of decadence. And as well, what is really great in this campaign is all the surrounding Adriana Lima is in. Is very modern, is very edgy with a classy and vintage twist to it. The bottle of the Decadence is very elegant and sophisticated. It's very nice emerald green, and this is the inspiration of the iconic handbag as well. And it has a piton cap, which increase the wildness of this fragrance with the golden chain, and can be as well carried by this chain. It's done on a magnet, so it's not very easy to take off, so it's very secure. And bottles coming in 30, 50 and 90 ml, 100 ml. This one is a 30 ml bottle, but it still looks quite big. And the only difference is that in 90 ml bottle, you're gonna have as well very nice and silky tassel attached to the golden chain. I love as well how this fragrance come. The box is very velvety. It's quite different. You can see it's quite different to usual boxes the perfume coming in, and it really surprised me very positively. If you're looking for the fragrance for the handbag size, Decadence is quite heavy as a bottle, but sometimes the Marc Jacobs release the gift sets, which are 3 bottles of 10 ml, which you can carry with yourself. Decadence as a fragrance is the part of the sensual and woody family of the fragrances. And the start of the top notes, they are starting very heavy, which is quite unusual to the fragrance which mostly start with the bergamot. Here Decadence start with iris, which mostly is located in the further notes of the fragrance. In here it's in the beginning. This is iris, it's a plum, a very sweet plum, and have a twist of saffron. Saffron usually is ingredient which is accompanied with leather ingredients. It gives a nice boost to it. In here, in the Decadence, it gives the boost to the plummy notes, which give the sensation of gold. In the heart of the fragrance is a sambac jasmine, and as I said in the previous videos about sambac jasmine, this is the ingredient which is very heavy and one of the heaviest jasmine used in the fragrances. The finish of Decadence, it's very warm and very sophisticated. It has vetiver, so it has a little bit of dryness into it, and warm bath of amber liquids. And the amber liquid here, it gives this enveloping hotness Decadence is the one of the fragrances which is great during the winter months because it's very warm and very heavy. It might be quite overwhelming during the summer. However, in the winter months, it gives you this type of warmth which envelope your body, and definitely I recommend to people who like very strong fragrances. And even if Decadence doesn't have the strong sillage, it still gets attention of the people around us. It's skin soft scent, but this is the one of the fragrances and one of not many fragrances which when I spray I can smell all day on myself. For today that will be all, and I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please click the like button, and as well don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on the future content. And also have a look on my Facebook page when I share this review as well, and many others nice informations about the fragrances and perfumery as well. And the link you can find in the video description just below. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.